sectors in Kenya and reinforce Kenya's position as the regional financial hub, I propose to reduce the rate of capital gains tax from 15% to 5% for firms certified by the Nairobi International Financial Center of Origin. Mr. Speaker, a transfer of property between an individual and an entity where the individual holds 100% shareholding does not constitute a gain. In this respect, I propose to exclude from capital gains tax this kind of transfer. Mr. Speaker, the digital services tax was introduced to prevent tax-based erosion occasioned by migration of traditional businesses from physical shops to online platform that is not feasible by the Commissioner of Tax for tax purposes. It has been noted that the design of the tax does not capture all taxpayers, leading not only to loss of revenue, but also to unfairness in taxation. For this reason, and in line with international best practice, I propose to amend the Income Tax Act to replace the digital service tax with the significant economic presence tax. Mr. Speaker, to expand the tax base and make our country self-reliant, I propose to introduce an annual motor vehicle tax at the rate of 2.5%, the value of the vehicle, subject to minimum amount of Kenya shillings 5,000. Mr. Speaker, let me now turn to gains. There are substantial gains for Kenyans. Mr. Speaker, currently the tax